Hello everyone. Today I am going to give an unboxing video about linear microphone for suitable for the content creators, YouTubers, for interviewers, everyone for good quality voice recording. This made by Boya company. I already bought two microphones from this company, and these are the two microphones. I'm going to give a comparison also, and you could see this is a single head and this is a dual. This suitable for the interviewing, this suitable for the vlogging and other such video creation. And now I'm recording voice through this microphone. You could see the microphone pin here. It's a very good quality of the voice recording. There are some fake product in the market, so I am going to explain how to check the original or whether it's fake. So here is a sticker. It's the serial code is there, so we have to remove the sticker. There's a small arrow key here, so we peel from here. So I am removing. There are barcode. You could see the code. Start from 18. So this code we have to enter the Boya website link. I will link in the description. Please check the link in the description. This is the Boya security check code. Here's the code. So I have to enter the code into the website. I'm clicking inquiry button. Congratulations on your product purchase, authenticate Boya product. So this is the original product. So when after you buying the product, please check your this link for whether it's original or duplicate product. Okay, first open the retail box. It has a pouch, a leather pouch. It's very good quality. And the catalog, how to use and the other details. And another one I got it, a warranty card. Okay. Now I am taking from the pouch. Here's the microphone. There are two microphones. One is here, another one is here. So these are the 4-meter wires that mentioned in the box, and here is the 3.5 millimeter jack for the input your device, phone and computer, tablet cameras. And it says Boya. It's mentioned camera or smartphone. So pin for the you can fix in your pocket. And now I'm going to open this one, and it's mentioned you need to put the battery for the this device, which is for the cameras only. So with the mobile phones, it supports without microphone, without battery for the mobile phone. So and I got accessories. Big jack for the all devices, so we can use like this, then fix into the other suitable components. Okay, these are the one, and I got two sponges for the mic head, because it can reduce the wind noise. So it's like fixing like this. And I got two clips. The clips and these are the 4-meter wires, and I'm inserting the, now I am removing my single mic and I'm going to drag out the voice with this dual microphone. Please check the comments. Please comment whether the quality is different from the single and dual microphones. Okay, now I am removing my single microphone. This is my single microphone. I am going to insert this to my smartphone to record the voice. How is new voice recording from the dual microphone? Please comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for the more videos. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, click like button, subscribe our channel for the more videos and click the bell notification. See you on next video.